Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 8 practice set 36. We already started with practice at 36. We have finished in that question number 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to see all the word problems, 4 word problems, question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let us start with question number 4. Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum means total of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? So there are these are two, one boy and one girl, Rakesh and Sania. Now they are saying Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. So we don't know first the Sania's age only. So Sania's age, we'll assume that let Sania's age be x years and Rakesh's age is what? Less than Sania's age by how many? 5 years. Then what will be the Rakesh age? Therefore Rakesh age will be less means minus x minus 5, because x is the age of Sania and Rakesh age is less than 5 by Sania. So this is Sania's. So from Sania's age we have subtracted 5. So that is x minus 5. Okay, now what is the next condition? They have given the sum of their ages. If we add their ages, Sania's age and Rakesh age together, the total of their ages is how many? 27 years. So let us find their ages. So as per given condition, what is given? That total sum is total. So what is Sania's age? X. First is Rakesh age x minus 5 plus what is Sania's age? X is equals to what is the total? 27. So we can do is we can add the x together. So x plus x is 2x minus 5 is equals to 27. Now this number we can take this side, so we can get the value of x. So 2x is equals to 27. This minus 5 will go this side, will become plus 5. So 2x is equals to 27 plus 5 will give you 32. So x, we want the value of x. So x is equals to 32. This multiply 2 will come. This side will become divide. So if we divide 32 by 2, 2 16s are 32. So x value we got 16. We got the value of x, means we got the age of Sania. Now we want the Rakesh age also. Both of them their ages we want. So we got only Sania's age till now. Sania's age is 16 years. X value we got. Now Rakesh age how we'll get? We'll put this x value which we got. So 16 minus 5. So Rakesh age is x minus 5, means x value we got 16. So 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 will give you 11. So how much is the Sania's age? 16 years. And how much age is of Rakesh? 11 years. See, from Sania's age, if you subtract 16 minus 5, it's 11. Because Rakesh was less than Sania by how many years? 5 years. So if you subtract 16 minus 5, you get 11. That means our conditions assumed are correct. So let us move to the question number 5. Same conditions. Read the problem first. Then assume, which you don't know, we have to assume that as x. When planting, fifth question, when planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of Ashoka trees by 60. Jambul trees were greater than Ashoka tree by 60. If they were altogether means total. If there were altogether 200 trees of these two types, how many jambul trees were planted? So total of jambul and Ashoka they are telling it is 200. But out of them how many are jambul trees? So let us solve this solution. Jambul trees are greater than Ashoka trees by the number of by 60. So let first, we don't know the Ashoka trees how many they are. So let us assume for Ashoka trees that the number of Ashoka trees are x. So let the number of Ashoka trees be x, planted be x, and jambul trees are greater than Ashoka by 60. So how much will be the Jambul trees? Therefore, the number of Jambul trees will be greater than Ashoka, then X, then greater means we'll put here plus. By how many they are greater? That's 60. So they are how much? X plus 60 Jambul trees. Now what is the next condition they were given? That together they are how many of these two types? 200. So as per given condition, if we take the total of these trees, it is how much? 200. So X Ashoka means X trees, Jambul trees means X plus 60 is equals to, what is the total of them is 200. Now this X plus X will be 2X plus 60 is equals to 200. This 2X will keep as it this side, this number will take this side, so 200, this plus 60 will go this side, will become minus 60. So 2X is equals to 200 minus 60, 140. So value of X 140 divided by 2. So 2 sevens are 14 and 0. So X value we got 70. We got value of X as 70 means we got which trees? Ashoka trees. So number of Ashoka trees are 70. Number of Ashoka trees are 70. And how will get the Jambul trees? By putting the value of X in this, X plus 60. So therefore the number of Jambul trees, planted are, what we have taken here, X plus 60. So X value we got in solving this equation 70. So 70 plus 60 will get 130. So how many are the Jambul trees planted in that forest? 130 trees. So we have finished with question number 5. Let's move to the question number 6. Question number 6, just try to understand. Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupees notes as she had 50 rupees notes. And together they are saying she had 2700 rupees. If we add this notes amount, 20 rupees notes amount and 50 rupees notes amount, how many 50 rupees notes does she have? Suppose these are 20 rupees notes, or we can say first 50 rupees notes, and suppose these are all some 20 rupees notes. So 50 rupees notes we will assume it as a X, because we don't know, as she has how many 50 rupees notes, she has twice as if that of 20 rupees notes. So we don't know first 50 rupees notes only. So for 50 rupees notes we are taking it as X, and 20 rupees notes she has twice as that of 50. So this will be 2X, twice that of 50 rupees notes. So this will be what? 20 is 2X. So let us write here, let 50 rupee notes she has X, then 20 rupees notes she has twice, so that will be 2X. Now what is the next condition? Because twice means it is double that of 50 rupees notes. So as per given condition, she had how many? By adding these notes of 20 rupees and 50 rupees notes amount, she had total how many amount with her? 2700 rupees. So we can write like this, 50 rupees notes amount, 50 rupees notes amount plus 20 rupees notes amount is equals to total how much she has? 2700. So 50 rupees notes amount, how much we have take? 50 into, we have to take this notes, how many she has? X. So 50 into X plus 20 into how many 20 rupees notes she has? Twice of that 50 rupees notes. So 20 into 2X is equals to Total is 2700. So 50 into x will be 50x plus 20 into 2 is 40x is equals to this 2700. So 50 plus 40, they are like terms. So 50 plus 40 is 90 and this x, 90x is equals to 2700. So x is equals to 2700 divided by this 90. 9 3s are 27 and 0. So x is equals to 30. That means how many 50 rupees notes she had? 30. We got the value of x, and 50 rupees notes are, how many she had we don't know. So we assume that she had 50 rupees notes as x. So how many 50 rupees notes she has? 30. Therefore she have 30 notes of 50 rupees. 50 rupee notes. So we have finished till here this question number 6. Now let's move to the last word problem of this chapter only. Question number 7. See here, read the problem. Virat made twice means two, double. Twice as many runs as Rohit. The total of their scores is 2 less than a double century. How many did each of them make? There are two persons, Virat and Rohit. We don't know how much Rohit has done the runs. They are saying Virat had made double of that of Rohit. So let us assume first Rohit's age as run as x. Let the runs made by Rohit be x. Rohit be x. Then what is the runs made by Virat? Virat made twice as that of Rohit. So therefore the runs made by Virat are twice means two times of that of Rohit. So this will be 2x. Now total, if we add their both of them, Rohit's and Virat's runs, the condition they have given is we add their runs together. They are saying it is 2 less than a double century. Now as per given condition, the total of their scores is 2 less means 2 minus than a double century. 1 century means it is 100 runs. Okay, so this will be double means it will be 2 into 100. From that it is 2 less. 2 less means it is minus 2. So 200 minus 2. 200 minus 2 means it is 198. So the total of their scores, if we add, it is 2 less means you subtract from a double century means it is 200. So 200 minus 2 is 198. So as per given condition, if we add their runs, Rohit's plus Virat, x plus 2x is equals to how much it is now? 198. Here no number means it is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3x. 3x is equals to 198. So x is equals to 198 upon 3. So let's divide this. 3, 6 are 18. 1, 3, 6 are 18. 66. So x equals to 66 means we got the Rohit's runs. Therefore, runs made by Rohit is 66. And we'll get the Virat's runs by multiplying 2 into x, means x value we got. So therefore runs made by Virat is 2x, means we got the value of 2, that is 2 into 66. This 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 113, 132 runs. So 66 are the Rohit's runs and Virat's runs are 132. So here we have ended our chapter practice set 36. In the next part we will see the next chapter, that is direct proportion and indirect proportion.